Hey, and welcome to another video. So by now you must have seen that when you actually try to delete some of the files on your system, they don't get deleted and they keep coming back. So this is an issue that has recently come up. To fix that, we'll provide you 3 steps. If one of those steps doesn't work, just move on to the next one. So the first step you need to do is go to a web page that looks like this. I'll leave the link in the description so you can copy it from there. You'll see a download button over here and click on that. This is a Windows support page. So what we are downloading is a Windows Microsoft authorized tool that will help us fix this issue. So click on the downloaded file. Wait for a window that will pop up soon. This tool is called Files and Folder Troubleshooting Tool. So just wait for the tool and here it is. So this is the file and you'll see a button that says next. You'll need to click on that. It will try to detect some problems. Then it will state 4 checkboxes with the problems in them. Each of the problem will be separate, so click on the one that you are facing. For now we'll select the problems with detecting files and folders. Click on that and then click on next. And if it doesn't find any problems, it will come back with a message that says troubleshooting could not identify the problem. So click on close and let's move on to the next step. So the next step, what you need to do is go to the file that you want to delete, click on it, click on shift and then click on delete. So the problem usually over here is the recycle bin that you're using is probably corrupted. So the first step probably fixes that, and the next step what we do is skip the step. So here it says, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? So this means that it is going to skip the recycle bin and then directly delete the file's existence from the system. So you click on yes and just make sure you really want to delete the file before you click on yes. So this will be the step number 2. So finally, if none of these work, what you need to do is use Windows Defender to scan your system because it is probably infected with a worm. So what you need to do is click on Windows Defender in the search bar. Click on the option that says Windows Defender Settings. You'll see a window like this open up. You'll see an option that says Open Windows Security. Click on that. You'll see another window where it says Virus and Threat Protection. Click that and you'll see a button that says Quick Scan. When you click on Quick Scan, it will quickly start a scan that will search each and every file of your system to start disinfecting them if there are any threats. So this was the final step, and these 3 steps will definitely help you out with this problem. So I hope this helped. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you are new to the channel, click on the subscribe button below, and have a good one.